To set your favorite music to the message and incoming call tones, first press Start. Go to File Explorer. Select the music you like. Do a cut. Paste it into my storage. Choose another music again. Do the same method and paste it into my storage. Exit from File Explorer. Press Start. Go to Setting. Select Sounds and Notifications. Choose Notifications. Here is the incoming call tone. Choose the ringtone that you have earlier pasted in my storage. Just Dance. Then under Event, scroll all the way down. Select New Text Message. Make sure that the play sound is ticked. Choose the song for your message tone. Then press OK. Exit from everything. That's all.